Right, I've made some biscuit paste. This is nice and pliable. You can give it a good squeeze. I left it in the shed overnight to go cold, and obviously the cold temperatures kind of made it a little bit harder, but that's actually helped it because it's binding better together. And not only that, when you give it a good squeeze, it actually feels quite firm. But yeah, this is basically biscuit crumb. In there, there's 4 packets of biscuits that I've blitzed with the old blender. And so you've got chocolate creams, custard cream, digestive, and malt biscuits. Plus you've got a couple of handfuls of pellets, 8mm pellets that I've also blitzed as well. And you get this lovely fine powder, ground bait like. And all I've done, I just took a little bit out of the bowl, put a bit of water to it, and you get this really good paste. Totally, you know, breaks up. Give it a good squeeze, and forms back into a nice ball. Anyway, what I've done, I've got the this is a little cap off of the end of the tube for the feeder rods, where the arms go. So I've just taken it out of there, and I've just been making these what do you call them, pellets, I guess. Biscuit pellets. They're probably a size what, 12, 15 possibly, so thick there. And they hold really well, you know. They're nice and firm, and I reckon these will go on great on the end of the hook for the hook bait. Sugary, because that's all biscuit, so you've got sugar, salt, pellet mix in there, and yeah, a number of different tasty biscuits, malt, digestive. So anyway, I've made a couple of those. So all I've been doing is squeezing this together and flattening it out a little bit, just like that. Put it on the side, get your cap, push down on the cap like so, remove the excess, and inside you've got a lovely little homemade pellet there. Gently squeeze the plastic cap and out it comes. Absolutely fantastic. And again, I say, you know, these must be like a size, you know, 12 to 15 hook bait there. And yeah, I reckon they'll go down really. I'm going to leave those out overnight, you know, to harden up even more. But that on the end of a hook, that's got to be attractive to a nice big carp, surely. Sugary, salty, full of biscuit crumb, pellet. Anyway, I'm going to make a couple up here, so I'll make several, and I think I'll give them a good go on the old lake tomorrow. See if the fish take to them, and if they do, then fantastic. I've made my own hook bait out of biscuit crumb. So I'll put some in a bag as well. That's a bag of biscuit crumb and pellet in there as well, and I'm going to throw that in. Possibly I can use that as a paste to make these, or add it to breadcrumb, which I've got in the freezer. So I will definitely give that a go tomorrow. So yeah, give that a go. Biscuit crumb forms a really good paste. Really good. I suppose you've got many uses with that, really. You could probably, you can use that as hook bait, you know, throw it in the lake, ball it in the lake if you like, on the end of a hook. Breaks up really good. And yeah, I'll be looking forward to giving this a go tomorrow, see if this works all right. So I'll carry on making some more biscuit pellets. Let's do another one. Flatten that out. So again, just flatten out a little bit, get the end of a cap, push down, get rid of the excess, and you've got a lovely homemade pellet. Give it a nice squeeze. Comes out really easy as well. That's probably because of all the sugar inside the pellets. But yeah, great, look at that. So they'll harden up overnight in the cold weather, and I'll be giving these a go tomorrow. Brilliant. I'll let you know in the next video. Look at that, fantastic.